Welcome to This Week in Williamsburg. I'm your host, Rebecca Suerdieck, curator of archivewilliamsburg.org. Now journey back in time with me. This week in 1917, Mr. Pellman placed a notice in the Virginia Gazette wishing to trade his truck for a horse, stating that he no longer has a need for the truck. This week in 1920, a May festival took place on the Palace Green. Onlookers enjoyed a procession of decorated carriages, a parade of children carrying flowers, maypole dancing, and the crowning of the May Queen. May festivals occurred in Williamsburg most every year during the first quarter of the 20th century. Join me next time for another edition of This Week in Williamsburg, brought to you by archivewilliamsburg.org and the Williamsburg Old Time Radio Hour, your source for hometown history, online, on stage, and on the air. I'm Rebecca Suerdieck.